What's the meaning of community center? Community center. Community center.
Community center. Community center. A community center is a public facility that serves as a gathering place for members of a particular community. These centers are designed to provide a range of services and activities to promote social interaction, cultural exchange, education, and recreation among local residents. Community centers may offer classes and workshops, sports programs, arts and crafts activities, and social events. They can also host community meetings and provide resources such as job search assistance and counseling services. Overall, community centers play an important role in fostering a sense of belonging and cooperation within a community.